Check it out one time. I go by the name of DJ Basic, representing that little Green Apples crew. Yeah,
Yo, what's up? Bboy Ronnie here, and I'm about to give you break advice.
Hey, what's up, Bboy? Today we are gonna learn with Bboy Ronnie and his footwork combination workshop. As always, I will try to do this directly. I will remember you that this concept is for beginners. This workshop is a base. You will have to implement your creativity always after to see this tutorial. We are going starting. Step 1. The first combination is to do this go down in this way. We are need to put the knee in the floor and then turn. Step 2. Use the free hand for to do a combination like this. Then we implement creativity like this, or to do other thing in other way. Further finish in footwork fun. But this is the principal idea.
Come up, grab your head.
Step 3. In this step, we are gonna implement a footwork concept called CC, but with the variation, and then we are searched to the way for get out of the footwork and can to do for other side.
Thread, underneath, come around. Now you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Kick, with your leg, thread, bring your other leg around, and kick. So that can be a continuous step. So do step on your knee, coffee grind around, boom. Grab your knee behind, put your leg back, readjust your hand, thread, bring it here, kick, thread, kick, thread, kick, thread, kick, thread.
Basically, this is a base, Bboy. Remember to play with your creativity. Thanks for watching this video. See you tomorrow.